Hi guys, and welcome to
HitchUpAndTow. As you can see, we're down the caravan again.
We Are.
Because I've just been washing the outside of it because it's covered in mud,
And bed poops.
especially the back. Because we've moved pitch in the caravan site, we were asked to, not caravan site, storage yard.
Storage yard.
Get it right in a minute.
Yeah.
We moved to the back and we've got trees behind us, and I didn't realise, but the back of the van was
Beardy
dirty.
poops in the
Dirty.
caravan.
So I've washed all the van down, ready for our journey out, so you can spot our rear.
Yeah.
So the van's all washed, and we've got some parcels to open.
Yeah. We had some parcels delivered.
We have all caravan stuff, sort of.
Yeah. Well, you know, once I'd done my haul of clothes, Mark decided he wanted a haul of bits and bobs.
Yeah, bits and bobs. That sounds really
Bits
good.
and bobs.
So, Amazon, here we go.
We did.
We did. So, what's going to be the first opening?
Well, I don't know what this is.
Oh, I do.
So, maybe that's first then.
Yeah. So I'll open this.
It's a bit of pipe.
It's gas hose
Oh.
for the barbecue. Because we've got an outside gas pipe for the barbecue, we're going to use that instead of getting the gas bottle out and bringing it round. We'll just plug it in. But where our awning goes and where the gas point is and where we want the barbecue, we need a longer hose. So I've got 4 metres of hose for the barbecue.
Right. But you normally barbecue at the back of the van?
I know, so it's not going to be right at the back of the van, but when I put the awning up, I can bring the barbecue round to the front bit. Well, the side bit, because we open the side of the awning. So I can bring the barbecue round to there.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
That's quite fine, yes. It's just that when you say there was only 4 metres and then you normally do the back, I was thinking you're going to be about another 10 metres short.
I don't think our van's that long.
Well, it depends. Where you want to put the barbecue?
No, that should be long enough. So, that's the barbecue sorted out.
Okay.
What's next?
So, it's exciting, isn't it?
It is, like Christmas.
Apart from the top. What's that?
That's, from what I can see, oh, I need the scissors. You can, no, not that. That didn't work.
That
didn't work. Nor did that. What's happening here? Oh, that works. Because we go to a caravan site nearly every year.
Yeah.
Well, since we've been caravanning, which is what, 8 years? 7 years? 8 years?
Yeah.
I think we've been there about 10 times.
We have.
And they got lovely big pictures. And you have a tap between 2 pictures.
We do.
So you've got to share it with your neighbour.
That's right.
So,
Oh, I see.
put that on the tap because they're threaded taps. Put one of them on there for my side. If I can screw it in. I won't like that. Just like that. And then hose lock. And we've got service water on the pitch.
Brilliant.
And our next door neighbour can use the other side.
Don't they need a dangly thing?
But they can have one because I've got one on there as well.
Oh.
So there we go.
There you go.
So we can have water,
Fully serviced.
sort of, yeah, on our pitch when we go there. So that's another little gadget.
Let's just hope that nobody runs off with it, because I've seen a couple of things lately where people have been running off with other people's stuff.
Yeah.
And come on, guys, that's a no-no. You know, some of these things are quite cheap, but people are just taking them off of somebody else's pitch.
Yes. Well, I've only ever happened once to me.
Yeah.
That was when you were in hospital.
It was.
We were stuck down south. I was on the campsite on my own. We sent the kids back. Our sister-in-law came down and picked the kids up. So I was there on my own. So I could go to the hospital every day to see Coral. And I came back once and turned the tap on, no water came out. So I thought, this is strange. So I thought, the barrel of water must be empty. So I walked round and I suddenly noticed that the pump going into the barrel wasn't mine. I could tell the difference because ours had a big mark on the side.
Yeah.
This one didn't. So someone had come along with a broken pump and swapped them while I was away, which weren't ideal.
Considering that caravanning community is supposed to stick together.
Yeah, but you do get the odd one out there who does that sort of thing, but
Not on.
not on, no.
No, not on at all. Okay, so the next thing we have.
I know what that is just by the size of it and the look of it, and I'm quite embarrassed about this.
Are you?
Yes.
Is it a toilet seat cover? I don't know.
That's my dancing pole holder. Like I say, we've been caravanning for a number of years now.
Since 2013?
2013, yeah. So I thought it was about time I ordered a cable tidy. Our cable is just rolled up into a Tesco's bag at the moment and stuck in the front locker.
It is.
And I've been doing that since we've had the van. And I thought, it's about time I got a cable tidy. So I've got a cable tidy. And that should sort out the front locker a bit.
We haven't got a front locker.
Well, that's good then, isn't it?
We have side lockers which
Yeah.
aren't very big.
Yeah. And
So,
when the cable just opens up, it was fine sort of rolling it up and putting it in the bag and putting it away. But you know, every time you get it back out, the cable has automatically tied itself into knots.
and you also use my tea towel when you're cleaning it up a bit.
I didn't realise you knew.
Yes. So hopefully this time,
Well, I
because
think
you
I
have
get
it
my
round.
hands wet, so
Yeah,
I hold
I
it and,
know.
and I put the tea towel in the other hand, and as I'm wiping the cable.
Yeah,
And
And
it
then
drags through the muds and everything.
exactly. And then I have to throw them away because it's not very hygienic.
I didn't realise you knew. Whoops.
Yeah, well, when you have to buy, like, 14 tea towels every time you go away because some of them go missing.
Did
They do. Yeah, get yourself an old rag or something.
I thought it was.
Yes, so that's Mark's little haul.
Yes.
And I think you've still got stuff to come, haven't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit.
I like shopping.
I noticed. Yeah, so we've got some more stuff to come, which he'll probably do another vlog about.
Probably. And, oh, shall we mention?
I was about to just mention something, but I don't know
All
the
right,
same thing you were going to mention.
you mention it, you mention.
I forgot what I was going to mention now. I don't know, go on, carry
This
on.
is good, isn't it? This is real
I've got-
entertainment value here.
Well, I've got memory problems,
I was
so...
going to mention about subscribers.
That's what I was going to mention.
Right.
Yeah, because you just lost another one.
I haven't, have I?
You have.
Oh, it's brilliant, this. I don't know what it is. We've really had a good laugh over this.
We have.
We've got close.
So close, so many
To
times.
1,000 subscribers. Absolutely amazed. Never in my wildest dream thought we would get that close. And thank you to everyone who has subscribed.
Yeah, you've been amazing.
Yeah, it is absolutely wonderful, really humbling. But what I will say is, we've got close. How many times?
Oh, at least 6, 7,
I-
8.
I think I got close 8 times last night. It
Yeah.
goes up and then the subs goes down again. Then it goes up and then the subs goes down. I don't know what's going on. It's just
I think as well, some people are trying to help. So they're subbing to us, but with not maybe a second page or a third page.
I don't know.
I don't know if YouTube are just thinking no and taking them off, or what's happening. I'm baffled because I've just been sitting here, and you had 994.
I had 995.
No, you had 994 when we got on the caravan.
Yeah.
And as I was sitting here, and I thought, I'll just go and check, and you've got 993 now.
Okay.
So, and I've also lost some. I've lost about 3 or 4. So I don't know what's happening either.
But I think I counted last night. I went up to 995 subscribers and back down to 994 subscribers 8 times in one evening.
Yeah.
That's just, I don't know what's...
I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's YouTube messing about, because I know YouTube have had a few problems over the last few days.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know much about YouTube.
Unless they're just thinking, well, Mark, I'm sorry, but you're not going to get to 1,000.
There's someone employed in YouTube just to mess my day up.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been fun. Been fun watching it.
It has been fun watching, and we're not the only ones watching. There's quite a few people that are watching it go up and down and up and down.
I'll give a shout out to the Beckwiths. Apparently, Glenn's been watching, and he was saying, "You're going up and down like a rat in a viaduct." It's like unbelievable,
But anyway, those who have subscribed,
thank you very much.
Yeah, because I mean, it does mean a lot to us. It's just that Mark's got this thing about getting to 1,000.
At least this way, you don't need to do the giveaway.
Yeah.
I think it's you, because you don't want to get your purse out. So as soon as someone comes up, you take somebody else.
It's not me, no. I'm stuck to you. I've been watching you. I've belled you. Yeah, and
but when we do get to the 1,000, we will sort out some sort of giveaway. Haven't really decided exactly what we're doing, but the way things are going, we've got plenty of time.
Yeah.
So,
but they are going to be nice prizes, guys.
well, hopefully.
They will be.
Yeah.
If we ever get them out to you.
Yeah,
because
that's that.
There's a bit of pipe.
That can be first prize.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we'll get some prizes sorted out and we'll do some sort of draw. The only thing is, we're away. Not next week, but the weekend after. We won't be here. So, if the draw will probably be after then.
My birthday next weekend.
Is it?
It is. Ooh. So, am I going to get... No, I took one of orange hose.
I don't know.
No, we're going to be away. So if we ever do get to that magic 1,000, then we'll probably do a draw on that when we get back.
I think we need to be on that magic 1,000 for at least a month to make sure it doesn't go down again.
Well, that's not going to happen, is it?
But yeah, if we hit, like I say, in 2 weeks we won't be here, so we won't be holding a draw then if we're there. But we will do it when we come back, and we'll sort out some, hopefully some nice prizes, what you might like.
Your subscribers is like me with carbohydrates. I look at carbohydrates, I put £1 on. You look at your subscribers, you put a subscriber on. As soon as you turn your back, it's gone again.
I don't know.
Oh.
But yeah, we'll sort out some nice prizes. But I say, not 100% sure. We have mentioned a few things in the past. We did actually mention about paying for a holiday, but we looked into it and it's just going to be too complicated.
It is, because everybody's all over the place.
So
and...
we're not going to do that. It's only going to be, I'm sorry to say, it's only going to be for UK residents, because we can't ship stuff abroad.
Well, not the prizes we're thinking of. No.
So it will only be for UK residents, but we'll get something sorted out, and once we eventually, or if we get there, we will...
Which is not looking very likely.
No.
Maybe next year.
So we will discuss what we're going to do, put some prizes up there, have a raffle, whatever, tell you what you need to do to enter, and we've got all that sorted out.
Yeah.
Also, don't forget, spot our rear.
Do, do, do.
Yeah, so you can win one of our mugs. Have we got one of our mugs here?
We do have one of them. Oh, not that drawer.
Not that drawer. There it is. So you can spot one spot.
You can't spot.
If you spot our rear, you can win one of our Hitch Up and Tow left and right-handed mugs.
And here it is.
Here we go.
Do, do, do.
And the other side. There we go. So all you got to do for that is see our rear. I'm now washed the back of the van so you can actually see the logo on the back. So if you see that, take a picture, email hitchupandtow@yahoo.com. I'll put that along the bottom here somewhere.
Or Mrs. HitchUpAndTow@yahoo.com.
Oh, will you stop that?
Well, my subs have gone down too, you know.
You're taking my subs as
I've
what
got
it is.
nobody watching me, and
I've
well,
got no one watching me.
yeah. And if you would like a sticker swap,
Yep.
then please, excuse me, email in your address to either HitchUpAndTow@yahoo.com or Mrs. HitchUpAndTow@yahoo.com, and
We'll get a sticker sorted out.
we will sort a sticker for you, and it won't cost you anything, nothing. It's free. Don't even have to pay for the envelope or the stamp.
No, nothing.
No.
If you missed the email address, I'll put it again in the description below, and it's also on our about page. So
It is.
you can find it
Although
there.
a lot of people can't find it when it's on our about page, but you have to click where it says email.
You click email, and then it will come up.
I
For
think
some
people
reason.
just think it's sort of in the bio, but it's not. You have
No,
to
it's actually in the tab where it says
email.
email. You click that and do what it says, and the email comes up.
Yeah.
So that's there, and then just send it to us, and we'll happily send you one of our mugs if you're the first person. Gotta be the first one.
And don't forget the stickers, guys. If you do want a sticker,
Yeah.
you don't have to send us one. By the way, you know, if you haven't got one to,
Don't they?
no, if they
Why
haven't
not?
got, if they haven't got one that if they haven't got one, then it doesn't matter. We will still send
Do
you
you want
one
my
out.
teeth?
No, it's okay. Mine are better. They fit better.
Yeah. So I think that's about it for today, isn't it?
Yes, I think so. I don't think
Okay,
there's
I'll wash
anything
the
else.
van,
Unless you want to do, excuse me, I've got a froggy throat.
Have you?
I have. Unless you want to do a couple of shout outs for people.
Who we can do? Who are you going to shout out?
Well, I was going to shout out Sue and Brian for doing the 8-question challenge. That was very good.
Yeah.
And
Did we nominate them?
we did.
Whoops.
And also to Mike and Rose Privet for doing their first ever one together. We
Oh,
also
yeah,
got
that
them.
was- yeah, we got them.
We got them to do it as well. So congratulations, guys! You've done great on your first one, and it's nice to hear more about people, isn't it?
Yeah.
You find out what people have been doing. I mean, it was Mike, wasn't it? Was it Mike, or was it Brian? Oh, I don't know. The ones on the thing, the height.
Brian.
That was Brian, yeah.
His middle name is Danger.
He actually done
100 mile an hour zip wire.
Yeah, just to
Yeah.
get over his fear of heights.
He's still got a fear of heights, but he likes zip wires now.
It's like me sitting in a caravan full of spiders to get over the. Oh no! I tell you what, he's got more. Oh, I was going to say something else. He's got bigger baubles than I have.
I hope
I
so.
wouldn't be doing it. No. Yeah, so a bit of a shout out to them. Anybody else you'd like to shout out?
I think we shouted out everybody else, haven't we?
Have
Last
we?
time, yeah. We've had no more stickers come in.
No.
So-
It's gone a bit dead on that front as well, hasn't it?
I know, I've got piles of them. Can't get rid of the things.
Yeah, we can't get rid of our stickers. We can't get any subscribers. Do you think we should just shut the page down?
Yeah, we carry like this. I go to 999 subscribers and I close it.
Oh, don't worry, we'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, it was lovely to be back again with you, although we've only been here the other day. But
Yeah.
I did say to Mark, actually, we should do an impromptu live, but he wasn't having any of it.
Well, we might do. I don't know.
Might we?
We might.
Ooh.
What about going live when we're away?
Oh. And if we've got 1,000 subscribers, that would be even better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We probably won't have a signal when we go away.
Oh, yeah.
We'll see. We'll see what happens.
We might do an impromptu live while we're away.
But it can't really be impromptu when you just told them we might.
Yeah, well, we might not.
Okay.
See, there you go. If you watch, you watch. If you don't, you don't.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, that's it.
Okay, we're off.
Because I'm talking rubbish now.
Nothing new there.
So we'll see you again next time. And if you liked what you see,
Give us a thumbs up.
please subscribe.
Don't bother, because you just come off again anyway.
Please subscribe. Get us to that magic 1,000. Please.
Leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.